Good morning, happy Tuesday. I'm Erica from Erica LOL Beauty and Reviews. Today we are going to open two beauty boxes from Walmart. They do them every season, and I believe, and it's definitely under $10. I believe it's like $6.99 now. It used to be $5. It might be $5.99. I'm not sure. Everything's going up a little bit. I still haven't decided what I'm doing with the Boxycharm. I don't know if I'm going to get it this next month. I know I got a couple of days before I could cancel it, so I may just get it and then cancel it. I don't know. My brain is really not. I'm looking for another one that I could do. If y'all have any ideas, let me know down below. Okay. Oh, and this is the blush I'm wearing. If you're wondering what's on my hand, I need to keep it on my hand so I can see it, because I'm going to write a review for it for the NARS Behave Backstage Cheek Set. This is their gift set thing. And it's got, I figured since you could see it when I lifted my hand, it's got the liquid. It's got the powder, a little one. Believe it or not, I actually like this a little more than I like the Orgasm one. And this is what I actually put on my cheeks. It's the stick one. I put it on there, and I think I got more on this side than I did on this side. And then I put just a little bit of the powder over the powder. But it was really pretty before. It was more like this on this side until I put the powder over the top. But I do like the color. It's like the perfect shade for me, but I could try to balance this out. Or not. Oh, I did. Look at that. Okay. I had to buff it in a little more. Alright. So I got version 6 and version 9. They tell you which ones you have. So I'm not going to use a calculator this time because these are all samples and trying to figure out. I'll let you know what's full size and what's not. They give you the little thing that tells you the prices of the full size items inside here. The first thing, definitely a full size item. It says Heritage Mindy McKnight and hair accessories $3.88 to $5.88. So they just put random ones in each thing. Let's see. I like this, but I'm not sure. I guess if you put your hair in a ponytail, this goes down the back. Huh. Fancy up my scrunchies. I'm not going to touch it and take it off of this and put it in my hair because I'm not sure. I might just give it to my little sister, or I might not use it at all. I might put it in giveaway, so I don't want to stick it in my hair. Alright, the next thing is a CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion, which I've been wanting to try because I have psoriasis. If you're new here, I have psoriasis on my legs, and it's been irritated lately. So I'm trying to find something, but this is lightweight, so I need to get like a thicker cream from what I read last night. And this says that the full size, I believe the full size is around $5-6. But it is not on this list. It's not in here. Alright, the next thing we have is a sample size of NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Cinnamon Roll. I don't know if I like this. I know I didn't like their lipsticks for a minute, so I think I'll try this. If I don't like it, I can always give it to my little sister. Let's try it. Let's go ahead. I don't have any lip product on right now. I'm trying to open it. Oh my gosh, it won't open. Okay, hold on. Let's try to break this. Well, at least you know it's not tampered with. Most of the video is going to be me trying to open up a lipstick. Lip gloss. Okay, here we go. There we go. It doesn't smell. I don't like the lip vinyl things by Too Faced, and I think there was one that they had that I didn't like. But this seems very hydrating. We'll see. Alright. The full size of that is $4.97, so $5 seems about right. And right now, Ulta has the fall haul event, and some of the NYX products are on sale, or no, they're all on sale. You buy 2 get 1 free. So yeah, they have this is an energy drink mix by Liquid IV. It says energy multiplier yuzu pineapple. I won't be using this, but Jason would probably like it. That's a new thing. Hydration, mind and body energy hydration all in one. It's got coffee berry, cognatic coffee extract, and L-theanine. And they got a little thing that you can add to the cart just by scanning that into your Walmart app. And the full size is $9.98 for 6. Okay. And another thing we have here is Cetaphil extra gentle daily scrub, exfoliates microfine particles for your face. Oh, CeraVe, Cetaphil, 2 different things. Okay. But that's not on the list either. That's just so weird. We got so many things on the list. And then we have alcohol-free 8-hour hydration Thayer's facial toner. I'm not sure how this works, but there's one use, and it's in a little foil packet on here. And it says that the full size is $7.97. Alright. So it's not a bad little box. It's just hardly anything in it was on the paper. How many items were actually in here? 1, 2. Where's that paper at? 1, 2, 3. 3 items were actually on the paper. Alright. That was version 6. Alright, let's go into the version 9. This one feels heavier. And it's got the same little paper. Yeah, everything's the same inside of the paper. So let's see what we got this time. Heritage. This one I probably will give to my little sister or my niece. A sweater headband. That's kind of cute, actually. But I don't wear headbands. That is really cute. I like the sweater material on it. Alright. Another CeraVe daily moisturizing lotion. And then we have a Hemp's Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream. The full size is $19.48. Looks like this. It's not full size, guaranteed. We have Peach Slices Snail Rescue Oil-Free Moisturizer in a foil packet. And the full size of this is $16.99. So, like, if you have oily skin, this is something good because it's oil-free. So, it's, like, good for not adding more oil, but giving you moisture. Another one of those energy multipliers by Liquid IV. And Physicians Formula Mineral Wear Diamond Lip Plumper. Oh, this is so pretty. I can't wait to try this, but I already put lip gloss on. And I love lip plumpers. It says the full size is $7.48, which is really good. I'll let y'all know. We'll try this in another video. And it is so funny that it only has this in here. Even though it had more stuff from the paper in here, it only had that one little paper in here. So, overall, this isn't these. I mean, you get your money's worth with these, and you don't feel like you're being gouged. Like I feel like we're being with Boxycharm lately. But some of this will go in giveaways, some of this will go to family. But I hope you all have a wonderful Tuesday, and I will see you hopefully Thursday. I have been getting up, trying to get Eric into the school mood and doing the homeschooling and everything else, and trying to get the pool ready for closing. Which is funny, you have to make sure it's perfectly clean before you put the cover over it to keep it clean during this winter. Because you don't want to start off with anything light green or anything. So, and prayers for people in Florida, because they got a hurricane heading towards them, a rather large one. So we're praying for you. I'll see you in the next one.